Want to make a WeChat account but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a WeChat account. Now let's get started. Download the WeChat app for free from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Then open the app and select Sign Up. Your country should automatically be selected, but if it's not right, tap Region, then select your country. Enter your phone number and a password, then tap Next. Scroll down to look through the WeChat privacy policy. Tap the checkbox to agree to the terms, then tap Next at the bottom. On the next page, tap Start. Follow the directions for the security test that appears on your screen. WeChat will then send you a text message with a verification code. Enter the 4-digit code you receive, then tap Submit. Now you can enter your full name and add a photo if you'd like. Then tap Next. Tap OK to allow WeChat to access your contacts and show you which of them are already using the app. And that's it! Now you're all set to start using WeChat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.